Don't mind me, I'm just taking screenshots. Attempting to, anyway.
Hang on a minute. Boy,
Fuck
I'm
it,
gonna tell you right now.
I can't take any more
You better take
screenshots.
this-
No.
You're damn right, because the IRS be watching your ass right now.
Oh shit, not them again.
IRS, they looking. Yeah, they goddamn right. They're looking any reason to tax the shit out of your ass. You better be careful, boy. Take
what
too
if-
many screenshots of these.
What if I have demon children? What if I just send them on the
demon children.
IRS?
Doesn't matter. Well, then if you send in demon children on the IRS, they're gonna tell the FBI. They're gonna be busting through your door, boy.
But I've
You
got
hanging out
demon
with
children.
these Underage. Send it. Yeah, it doesn't matter what denomination they're from. You can't. It's like, oh, it's okay because they're not the same as I am,
Bang.
right?
No, I'm just kidding.
It's okay if I go walk up and see a bunch of white kids and I sit there and be like, oh, don't worry, they ain't like me. They ain't like me. They're white as fuck. It's okay because of demons. Nah, it ain't okay, motherfucker. Yo, y'all be publicizing that
Hey, how
shit.
you doing?
I'm telling you,
Hey, how's it going? Is that Santa Claus?
y'all better be careful with that shit. Oh, hot damn. I don't know about y'all. Okay, y'all might want to go take refuge with Santa Claus, or at least tell your principal about this motherfucker standing around taking pictures of y'all.
They're
I
my
ain't going to
kids.
jail, so I'm
They're
gonna
my
move along,
kids.
alright?
They're my kids.
They're your kids.
They're
You think
my
that shit
kids.
makes it any better? You're
I mean,
sitting down
yeah.
there getting all them really low shots of your kids, boy. I'm gonna call 1-800 number. There's all
Oh
sorts
shit,
of
no.
abuse up this nonsense.
No,
Are you his kid too?
no.
Are you his kid too? No, you ain't his kid?
She
Why
might
the fuck
be
you
in a
watching
couple of
this shit?
days.
Where's her parents? Where's her parents? Oh, okay, I see how it is. Tell you what, boy. Oh, you just
How the hell do I take a
you
screenshot? I can't fucking
Hey,
find
I
the
ain't
key
telling your
binding.
ass. I ain't going to jail.
Hold
You
on.
figure that out
Let me
yourself.
figure this out. How the hell do I screenshot on this? It doesn't tell me. Shit.
F12.
F12 doesn't help me. Fuck, what is the key binding? I had it a minute ago. It's not this.
You might be tired. Yeah.
It's not this. It's not this. Shit, I don't know what the screenshot is. That's a beautiful picture. The three little girls, the two demons, the little snow queen thing. I don't know what I would call that. I can't think of what I would call it. You're not a demon. You don't look scary and beautiful like them. Well, you're beautiful, just not scary. And then there's her that she just likes to perv.
Too close together to not be a coincidence.
Let me go to a smaller avatar. Better. Oh yes. Did I just see something happening? I think I just saw beauty.
Mr. Bennington actually sang at Chris Cornell's funeral.
You know what I like to do?
Cupcakes.
No, hold this.
Give you flower.
This.
Absolutely beautiful.
Don't throw it. Don't. That's mean.
You know what? You should do a dance for your sister over here. Come over here. You guys need to do a dance for her.
I just go to the Great Pug and like throw people's stuff and throw people's drinks. It's like, no, you got too much.
You might want to back up a little bit more.
Come here, Ad.
Especially yesterday. Yesterday there
I
was
wanna touch
someone
your
drunk
shit.
on
Get
VR
over
chat.
here. You little shit.
There was some drunk guy on VR chat. He was trying to drink bottles
I
out
was
of the
trying to
game.
give you some McDonald's fries. I know
I
Seagulls
don't want
love
none of
that.
McDonald's fries. You know that
No, you
shit
gotta get that
expands in my
Taco Bell
stomach and kills
fries.
my boys. You know that's general. You're stereotyping. You're operating off of a stereotype. That shit kills us. But you should know that. See, everybody does a stereotype. Nobody cares to get educated.
But if you
I'm gonna
enjoy
expand
it,
my- I don't
why is it
enjoy
like-
it.
Looks like KFC to me.
Every time I toss a McDonald's fry out the car window, seagulls are all over that shit.
But that's 'cause you've been introduced
It's
to
not
that
as
guy.
good as the original dance, but it's still pretty good.
Been introducing that shit.
Slow
We can't
clap.
stop ourselves. We don't know what's good for us.
Slow fucking clap.
We see our stomachs breaking open 'cause you keep
I need to make one of those dances like my intro.
all such other nonsense.
Because those dances are so goddamn cute. Can't you agree? They're so fucking cute. I don't know what it is about the model and the
Sorry.
and the dancing.
I found out.
That's fucking weird. Oh shit.
For you.
I ain't okay with
Um,
death of mine.
Might be really
Tell you what,
late.
you keep throwing those French fries out. I'm gonna start throwing a bunch of Tide Pods on the side of the street.
I
See all
found
the
something
American
else.
youth go kill themselves
Oh,
with that
eat
shit.
that.
Think that's gonna be funny?
Straight up.
Think that's gonna be okay? Tell you what, fucked up. No. I'll tell you what it is. It ain't me. It's this
Where's the music coming
meat
from?
your youth is already infected with. They'll do anything
Is it
for
under the
attention.
table?
Yeah, y'all fucked
This
them
is
up.
beautiful.
Liberalism and y'all fucked them up. Gotta preach to this, all these motherfuckers. Y'all gotta get educated. Goddamn.
Feel like birds on crack.
What's happening, Connors?
I know crack. All I'm on is life. I'm on life. I wanna exist and enjoy myself. Get on out of here. What y'all looking at? What y'all looking at me? Oh, Jesus! How'd y'all get behind my ass? I got a
I love it.
pretty good sense for that
I love
shit.
all of these dances. They're so fucking cute. Ah, come here, both of you. Fucking, it's so cute. It's so fucking cute every time. I love it. All those dances are always so damn cute.
Hang on a minute. You know what? I need to just like, hey, look down at me real quick. Do you know this man? Do you know this man? Look at me real quick. No. Pretend he's not there. I need you to give me a nod. Like, do you know this man? You know who this guy is? Both y'all. And they're not moving. No, would you get out of here? What did you give him?
There was no
Do you know this
LSD in that cupcake.
Do you know this man? This man that's right here. Is he your parent? Do you know who he is? He's not. They're not moving. They ain't telling me.
She moved.
What about you?
She
Do you know-
moved.
Do you know who this? She didn't fucking move for shit.
She's
I don't know what
moving.
you got some sort of.
It was here.
You got like puffer fish
He's
venom stuck in
moving.
their veins, so they ain't able to move. This motherfucker right here.
She's
got that high
moving.
grade shit. Now
She's
watch-
nodding.
Okay, show me. You know this man? Okay, all right, I see it now. Had to snap his goddamn neck back. Yeah, I don't know.
What about
Alright,
them?
so you know
Ask Fancy. Or ask
Who the fuck?
Raichu. I'm pretty sure they're
No,
the
I
same
ain't gonna- I ain't
person,
gonna-
so just ask them.
I ain't gonna
Oh, you're
play your games,
independent?
boy.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna keep asking this boy right here. So you tell me the truth, right? You know who this guy is. Do they know who he is? Yeah, okay, they know who he is. All right, is he a parent of yours? Is he a parent or is he a friend? Oh wait, better yet, just not if he's a parent.
As much as I can.
He's not a parent. Okay, now hang on a minute. Now you hang on a minute.
I'm their
So you know
parents.
who this guy? No, you're their parents. Well, who's this motherfucker?
She's
Where's her parents?
she's my soon-to-be adopted daughter. Her parents were
Soon-to-be
killed in a
adopted
single
motherfucker.
incident.
Yeah. A seagull incident. Oh, okay. So now I'm the enemy, right? You're gonna make me the bad guy just because
No,
I
no,
got
no,
white
no.
ass
A bunch-
feathers. No,
a
don't
bunch- a
touch my
bunch of
ass.
seagull-
Don't touch my ass.
A bunch of seagulls
get it.
blocked the road, and their car went flying into the damn
Bunch of seagulls
ocean.
block the road. Yeah, is that right? Because all we do is block the goddamn road and eat all your trash, right? That's what seagulls do, you generalizing motherfucker. Hate speech. Beat your ass, boy. You think you know what liberalism is? Tell you what. First, you're gonna try and start harassing these young individuals here. Oh gee, oh shit. All right, hang on a minute. When I'm an advocate for gun laws. I'm sorry, I'm hiding behind you. I ain't using you. I'm just sitting here for a bit. Now you put that shit down, boy. I don't appreciate that. I don't play like that, man. I don't play like that.
I see in black and
I don't
white.
know what you got going on with you. This man got conditions. Tell you what, you make all the gun lobbyists look bad. Oh Jesus, where's your open carry license, boy? Where's your open carry
The
license?
bird has it.
Oh, hang on. The bird has it. Oh, thank God, it's another bird. Hey, look at me.
Okay.
You see why we can't have these motherfuckers in our community? We can't have these motherfuckers out in nature.
But they're my
Y'all
kids.
gotta get out of this natural reserve.
But
Oh, these ain't
they're my kids.
Oh Jesus! Look what you done.
Whoa.
Everything's lost color because of your ass. I heard about not seeing color, but y'all fucked it up real bad, didn't you? This is what whiteys do. Get out! No, don't touch me. Don't touch my ass. Now I nobody sees color. Congratulations. Oh shit!
The
Would you
white on
stop
black
pointing that
crime's
shit at
about
me?
to fucking increase. was beautiful. That was beautiful. Oh my god. Hi. I'll give you hugs and head pats later. That was too amazing.
Hello.
Why y'all gotta make things black and white?
You know what? I need to get you two in like a secluded area and have you both dance. I need to record that. That dance, that like the first dance, the one that's all fucking weird and shit, is amazing. I love it.
There you go.
Hold on, let me get some water. I'm fucking dying after that.